I'm Joe Sirik, president of Magswitch Automation, here from FABTECH 2025, highlighting Magswitch technologies across 3 different divisions of our company. Our welding and fabricating group is presenting a selection of Magswitch tools for jigging, fixturing, rigging, handling of small plate and material. Magswitch Heavy Lifting Systems provides under hook, under crane heavy lifting solutions from capacities from 5 tons to 150 tons. We can provide custom engineered and arranged solution from plates to part loading, part unloading to bundles of tubes or angles. Magswitch Heavy Lifting Systems has a solution to meet and exceed your needs. The Magswitch Cordless Electric Lifter family provides battery-operated heavy lifting capacity from 1/4 ton, 1/2 ton, 1 ton, and 5 ton capacities that allow for hands-free picking and placing of plates and/or bundles. This alleviates the need for a human to enter the cutting table area, to walk on slats, or put themselves in harm's way while handling large plates of steel. So one of our 3 robotic automation demonstrations here is a vision-guided smart picking system with partners here, a Paravision system, Magswitch E30 tool on a FABTECH CRX10. So we're randomly selecting automotive component parts here. A Paravision is finding the part, determining a proper guidance and location, and the Magswitch E30 allows for precise picking with variable field output, allowing us to vary the magnetism from 0 to 100% to ensure that we only pick one piece at a time. Our second robot demo is a FABTECH CRX10 with a PushCorp adaptive grinding system guided by a MAS plug-and-play scanning technology that will find the lobes of the crankshaft and then allow the adaptive grinding and polishing of the PushCorp unit. Here, from a Magswitch standpoint, we have the Cobot 10 base. This allows you to place your Cobot anywhere on a ferrous base material. It could be horizontally mounted, you could mount it vertically on a wall, you could even invert it upside down if the application required it. From Magswitch automation side of things is a KUKA KR6 with the PPE30 and PPE50 new Magswitch tools. PPE is a plug-and-play electric tool that allows for simple, quick, and rapid deployment of Magswitch end-of-arm tools on any robot with 24-volt discrete I/O signals from any I/O block, any manufacturer available. One of the highlights of our partner booths here is the KUKA cell with automated joist construction. You may have seen this at Automate with only the 2 robots picking and placing. Thanks to our partners at KUKA, they've added welding robots together in coordinated motion, simulating the construction of an overhead steel joist system. From paper clips to sides of ships, Magswitch Technologies has a solution for every need. We look forward to seeing you at a future trade show where we can meet in person and show you our latest technologies.